Exactly that. That's why you can't attract women. It's basically impossible. Mainly because competition is global. See, when your fathers and your grandfathers would hook up with girls, we're talking about they only had to be the best of the best out of the 20 or 30 people that girl knew, right? A small social circle. And the smaller the town, the smaller the circle it was, right? Today, you gotta be the best globally, right? These girls that have 50K followers on Instagram are already getting flown out by millionaires across the globe. So it doesn't matter if you're in your hometown, if your girl is beautiful or this girl that you like is beautiful, and I'm talking 8, 9, 10, you better believe she has guys with money already hitting her up in her DMs. She has dudes hitting her up constantly. So now you're not competing against 20 or 30 people, you're competing globally. That's making it impossible. That is making it harder than ever for guys to compete. And this is why I hyper-focus and tell you, you need to build yourself up. Number 2, you're just focused locally. What I mean by that is you are so zeroed into your little hometown, to that one girl that's somewhat pretty, but in the real world, she's like an Alabama 8, but in a New York City 3. In other words, like the girl ain't even that bad, but you are so hyper-focused in this girl, you think she's the most beautiful thing in the world, and you're zeroed in, when most women, again, they got attention globally. They got attention from the city. They got attention from other states. Shoot, they might even get attention from other countries if she's that beautiful. What I'm trying to tell you is stop focusing on only what you can see, on your little drivable distance of 5 miles. Expand your horizons. This is why I always talk about you want to get into new hobbies, right? You want to connect with more women. Forget that one girl at your job or that one girl at your school. There's more girls out there, and I promise you, there is a better one. I want you to start DMing girls. I want you to start connecting with girls. Build out your network so you can hedge against the fact that she's competing globally. She's getting 100 DMs a day. You need to start connecting with 100 girls a month. Number 3, you stop taking care of yourself. How are you thinking that you're gonna compete globally against the top 20, 10% men in the world, but you don't even take care of yourself? You look like a slob. You don't dress right. You smell like crap. You don't even work. You're still playing video games in your mom's basement. You got nothing going for you. How are you gonna compete? How are you gonna size up to any of these guys? There's no hunger and drive. And look, when it comes to financial, that's something you need to grind at, and it takes time, right? You have to put in a lot of effort, and it's not guaranteed. The only thing that's guaranteed is the effort you put into yourself. Your body, how you dress, how you smell. That's stuff that you for sure can take action on today and have a guaranteed result in the next week, in the next month, in the next year. This is why, start bare minimum. Take a good shower, smell clean, look polished. This is why our shower kit from GROOMING does just that for men. I make it simple. Our shower bundle, which is a body wash, shampoo, conditioner, best in the market. We have the best quality ingredients you'll ever find. We're talking skin nourishing ingredients. We're talking about hair thickening ingredients. On top of that, I use fragrances that come from France, and I've infused all 3 to smell amazing. So when you shower with our stuff, you're not only gonna be clean, your skin's not only gonna be soft, you're gonna come out smelling like a high-end fragrance without breaking the bank. I want you to subscribe to this shower bundle. So if you guys click the link down below, check out the shower bundle. I'm gonna give you a 40% discount plus for the first 100 guys that take action right now. And anyways, this is gonna expire tomorrow, but if you take action today, you're gonna get a free deodorant. The deodorant goes for like 20 bucks. We're gonna give it to you for free. So basically this shower bundle is gonna be an absolute steal. And if you guys wanna check it out, it'll be linked down below. 4, you're forgetting to build yourself up. Most men have it backwards. Most of you have it backwards. You think, I'm gonna get the girl and then we're gonna build together. Nah, bro. You gotta build yourself up, and then you get the pick of the flock. You get the pick of the litter. You get to choose who you wanna date. Now see, when you build yourself up, you become that 10, 20% men that are DMing the most beautiful girls in the world, and you get to connect with who you want now. See, that is the route to go because it gives you leverage, it gives you control. The last thing you want to do is get what you're able to get, which will be like a 3-4 because that's all you can get, and then somewhat build yourself up, and then once you're built up, you start becoming unhappy and thinking, man, could I have done better? You know how many marriages get ruined because of this fact? Because you didn't get what you actually wanted. Build yourself up first. Focus on yourself up first, and then you can compete globally. Number 5, women are expecting more. Look, more women are graduating from college than men. This is a statistical fact. More of them are also taking higher paying jobs, office jobs, that are making your 50, your 60, your 70, your 80K a year. But here's the more surprising statistic. Over 60% of women still say they want a man that earns more than them. What that means is the bar is set higher. See, before, most women wouldn't work, so you just had to earn more than them, which that's zero, so it's easy. But now, you got professional women making 50, 60, 70K, which means your ass can't be playing video games. Your ass can't be smoking weed all day. It means you gotta get to work. See, if you wanna impress some of the most beautiful women in the world, especially modern women that are actually in the work field, you're gonna have to put in that work, and most of them are expecting more. And finally, number 6, you're just scared. Look, it's obviously impossible for you to hook up or get a girl if you're scared of them, if you're scared of talking to them. You heard me say, I want you to connect with 100 women a month. I know most of you thought, yo, how the hell am I going to do that? Your boys told you how to do it multiple times, right? You go out. It's called cold approaching. Do it in the day. Go to the library. Go to the coffee shop. Go to the park. Go to the mall. There's so many spots where girls congregate. Go up to one a day. That's 30 girls right there. Then DM 30 girls in a month. That's 60 girls right there. Then start going to hobbies and activities. Whether it's volleyball, chess, I don't care. Find local groups in your area that you can join where you can meet and connect with like-minded individuals. That's probably going to be another 10, 20 girls right there. We're looking at 80 girls already, and I guarantee you most of you won't take that action. Most of you will stay scared.